everyone, and welcome back to another video. Recently in the Halloween card kit from Simon that I got, I showed you this American Crafts The Color of Memories Halloween treat bag kit, and it comes with stuff to make 12 treat bags. And so I wanted to show you how my treat bags turned out. They turned out really cute. You put the topper on, the different elements, I just glued those on and stapled them over my treat bags. So I just wanted to show everybody how they turned out, and I thought they turned out really cute. And they were quick and easy to do, and your trick-or-treat bags will be the hit of the neighborhood. Also in the kit there was some just little brown bags and the Pebbles of, I'll have it linked below. Can't remember the name of the paper pack, but the Pebbles paper pack that was in there, I just cut apart some of the pages and then just adhere those to the front of these little bags. So I thought they turned out super cute as well. There's another one of those. There's these. So yes, I thought everything turned out really cute, and looking forward to handing these out on Halloween. See you soon in the next video. Bye.